Sutan. Today I will explain about our nervous system. The nervous system controls the activities of the other organ system of our body. This system consists of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Let's gather more knowledge about system. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ruchi Vishwakarma. Today I am going to explain about brain. The brain is the boss or the control center of our body. It controls all body parts and their activities. Following are the functions that brain performs. It coordinates and controls all body processes like breathing, digestion of food, etc. It interprets sensation and allows body to react accordingly. For example, when you touch anything hot, your brain immediately sends signal to your hand to withdraw from there. It enables us to think, learn, memorize and apply logic. The brain is protected by the skull. It has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and the brainstem. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Siddhi Charan. My topic is cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is responsible for thinking and reasoning. It controls our thought, memory, intelligence and our sense organ. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Anjali Swarupi. Today we are going to learn about cerebellum. Cerebellum is situated at the back of the brain below the cerebrum. It controls balance, movements and muscle coordination. It is because of cerebellum only that we can stand upright, move around and maintain our balance. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Atamule. Today my topic is the brainstem. The brainstem, also known as medulla, lies beneath the cerebellum. It connects the rest of the brain to the spinal cord. All information to and from our body passes through the medulla on the way of to or from our brain. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Bhumika Vadamar. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is a long thick bundle of nerves which extends from medulla. It is surrounded and protected by a bony vertebral column. It transfers information between the brain and the rest of the body. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Anvi Zadav. Today I am going to explain about nerves. Nerves form a network of pathways for conducting information throughout the body. They transfer messages to and from the brain so that it can function efficiently. There are three kinds of nerves: sensory, motor and mixed. Let's gather more knowledge about them. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ahmed Ali Akbar Kapadia. Sensory nerves. Sensory nerves bring messages from the sense organ to the brain. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sharon Sundasasane. Motor nerve. Motor nerve carry messages from the brain to other part of the body.
Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Umair Sheikh. Today my topic is mixed nerve. Mixed nerve carry message to and from the brain and to the brain. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Prana Hetty. My topic is sense organ. Sense organ are specialized organs such as eye, ear, tongue, nose or skin that is sensitive to stimuli such as sound, light, smell, etc. These organs collect information and send it to the brain through the sensory nerves. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Pranki Barman. Today my topic is eyes. Eyes help us to see different things around us. They act like a camera and take a picture of the thing that we look at. This picture is sent to the brain which interprets it and tells us what we have seen. The eyes are very sensitive and important part of the body. They are therefore protected by eyebrows, eyelashes and eyelids from dust, sweat, strong light and injury. The eyes are also protected by tears which constantly bar in the front of the eye, which keeping it clean and moist. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sachi Suryavanshi. My topic is ears. Ears help us to hear different sounds. They also help us to keep our balance. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Dinesh Rajput. Tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste things. The tongue has different regions systems covered with tiny taste buds. These taste buds help us in identifying the taste of the food we eat. We have different taste buds which detect sweet, sour, salty and bitter taste. The tongue also helps us to taste things. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Dhruva Anandazankar. My topic is nose. Nose helps us in smell. It also helps us in breathing. It has two nostrils through which we breathe. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Manasvi Nagesh Kamte. Skin. Skin is found all over the body. As it covers entire body, there are many tiny nerves that help us to feel heat, pain, cold and pressure. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Himmat Singh Rana Rajput. We have discussed about the structure of our nervous system. Now let us see the working of our nervous system. For that, meet our sense organ first. These all are sense organs.
Hello friends, my name is Shivaji Ramesh Sonone. I am nose. I am nose, I smell, I breathe.
Hello friends, my name is Yuvraj Singh. I taste different tastes. I am tongue. I taste different tastes of food. I help in talking, chewing and swallowing too.
Hello friends, my name is Sailam Razi. I am a ear. I help all to hear. Different sound I have. Listen on orders. Note down the information written on board. This message I will be passing on to the brain through sensory nerve.
Hello friends, my name is Ravi Krishna Smita. I am eyes. I take a picture what I see and pass it through the brain. Now I take a picture of blackboard and pass it through the sensory nerves.
These all sense organs communicate with brain by passing messages throughout the different types of nerves. Let us see the different types of nerves. These all are nerves.
Hello friends, my name is Pranav Rajkumar Manthali. I am sensory nerve. I bring message from sense organ to the brain.
Hello friends, my name is Darshi Seval. I am a motor nerve. Motor nerve carrying messages from the brain to the other parts of the body.
Hello friends, my name is Priyansha. I am mixed nerve. I travel in both the direction, hence pass the messages from brain and to the brain.
All these nerves communicate further with the central nervous system.
Hello friends, my name is Rizukuldeep Singh. I am spinal cord. I am mediator between the brain and all body. All nerves are controlled with me and coordinated by me. I am passing this message to the mediator.
Hello friends, my name is Sufyan Urraf. I am medulla situated between brain and spinal cord. All information pass through me. I also control all involuntary action like breathing and digestion. I am passing this message to brain.
Hello friends, I am brain. I collect the information, process it and reply to respective organ. I also collect the information. I am sending reply to all organs to note down the content on blackboard.